I'm here with my Infiniti G37X, and I have the dreaded clock blinking, fading. But as you can see, they're flickering a little bit. And it doesn't, I mean, they're off, and then they flicker, and they were doing this before, and I thought the LEDs had gone bad, but it's actually not. When I push on the LED 2, they both come on bright. I let go. So there's something wrong with the solder joint or something. It fixes it every time when I push on that. So the LEDs are actually not bad. I was going to replace them, but now I'm going to investigate a little bit further and see if it's a solder issue.